Do subscribe to TechWedek YouTube channel and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you first to know about our new video. Welcome to TechWedek YouTube channel. Today I am presenting Oppo F7 review. Review means my final opinion, my verdict. The Oppo F7 feature at 25 megapixel front camera and 3400 mAh battery. General performance is very good and the phone doesn't heat up too much. The price starts at Rs 21,990 for 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. The Oppo F7 is also priced pretty aggressively, starting at Rs 21,990, which actually undercut the Vivo V9, another recent mid-range competitor. We were quite happy with the Oppo last offering, the Oppo F5. So let's see if the Oppo F7 can match or even exceed our expectation. Let's find out. The Oppo F7 is a good upgrade over the F5 in terms of battery life and SoC performance. The selfie camera is also easily one of the best in this phone price range, and new additions like sense of HDR mode and AI beauty work well most of the time. We are not a big fans of the aesthetic as it is starts to keep this phone looking good. The plastic body also takes away the premium feeling that most of the previous F-series phones prided themselves on. ColorOS doesn't have a fresh enough design either. The Oppo might have gone a bit overboard with the customization, which we don't appreciate. Oppo has used the area around the notch well. So it's not simply their aesthetic value. Between this and the Vivo V9, we would recommend the Oppo F7 as it is better in terms of battery life, camera quality and CPU performance. If you need something more feature rich, there is also the Moto X4 at around the same price, which has a much better build quality than both the Vivo and Oppo models, and even has a waterproofing. I want to ask everyone one question. Do Oppo F7 and Vivo 9 show what to expect from OnePlus 6? What you thinking guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Good thing of Oppo F7, very light, good battery life, speedy CPU, high quality selfie camera. Bad thing of Oppo F7, no fast charging, UI feels clunky and dated, lack premium feel. Key specification Oppo F7 display 6.23 inch, processor 2 MHz octa-cores, front camera 25 megapixel, resolution 1080p has to 2280 pixel, RAM 4GB, operating system 8.1 Oreo, storage 64GB, rear camera 16 megapixel, battery capacity 3400 mAh. So our rating Oppo S7 out of 10, 8. Design wise 7, display wise 8, software wise 7, performance wise 8, battery 9, camera 8, value for money 8. So that's it for Oppo F7 review. Review means my final opinion, my verdict. So thanks for watching TechWedek, always for you. सो दोस्तों अभी तक मेरे चैनल को आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, लाइक नहीं किया, कमेंट नहीं किया है और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ करिए। किसका इंतज़ार है दोस्तों, करिए, क्योंकि मैं इसी तरह टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर लेटेस्ट रिव्यू ओपिनियन लाते रहता हूं और आपके माइंड को रिफ्रेश करते रहता हूं। तो जाहिर सी बात है मेरे चैनल को आपको सब्सक्राइब करना है, लाइक करना है, कमेंट करना है और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना है। तो मैं मिलता हूँ मेरी अगली वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच एंड गुड बाय।